Building, it's pet friendly, rental friendly, and it's very affordable. We have prices starting at $299. So this is Neft Román from Coldwell Banker. So if you're looking to invest in Puerto Vallarta, don't go, stay and watch this video. Hello everyone, this is Neft Román, and today I'm in Zona Romantica at the end of the street Basilio Badillo. I'm going to show you today a beautiful new development. It's calling Tres Vistas. 3 views, 3 vistas, whatever you want to call, like you can mix it. So this beautiful development is ready to rumble. And if you're looking for a good price, high quality, like world-class amenities, and this is it. Right here, we have a view of the ocean. We have a beautiful view of the mountains, right? That's what it's calling 3 views, right? And also, this building, it's pet friendly, rental friendly, and it's very affordable. We have prices starting at $299. So this is Neft Román from Coldwell Banker. So if you're looking to invest in Puerto Vallarta, don't go, stay and watch this video. We are right on the rooftop of Tres Vistas, and like I told you before, high quality amenities. Check this view. Right at the end of Basilio Badillo and the Zona Romantica, we still have beautiful condominiums for sale. Brand new, like I told you before, pet friendly, rental friendly, high-end, I mean everything. All the appliances that you see in the video, they're like high quality. So this is it, to live, to rent, or to invest. This is Neft Román from Coldwell Banker. Find me in my social media, send me a message, an email, and let's get this done. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next one. Hey, and don't forget, if you're gonna buy or sell, you better call Neft.